Allah the beneficent, the merciful, He is the master of death and also the master of life. Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you will safe and sound. My whole prayers are with you for our life, and especially my Tahajjud prayers are with you for our life. Understand? I hope you will take some time in a day to watch my all videos because these videos are very important for you. I hope you will do that. I hope you will get much knowledge about my knowledge. Understand? Because this knowledge is very important for you. If you want to make your English strong, I want to see your English high level. Understand? I want to give you much knowledge about English. But that is the condition that please take us some time to watch my all videos. And please press the bell icon buttons, understand? And please subscribe, like, share, and follow my all videos, especially my tenses videos, because if you want to get something. Thanks. आज मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ हुक्मिया फिक्र। मुझे पानी दो, हमें पानी दो, उन्हें पानी दो, मुझे पानी दो. You will use first form in the start. Give me water. That's a hukmiya fikra. मुझे पानी दो. Give me water. Give me water. हमें पानी दो. You will start first form. Give us water. हमें पानी दो. That's a hukmiya fikra. हमें पानी दो. Give us water. उन्हें पानी दो. Give them water. So this is a hukmiya fikra. If you want to say something to a person, मुझे पानी दो, you will start the first form in the start of the sentence. Give me water. हमें पानी दो. Give us water. उन्हें पानी दो. Give them water. So this is very important sentence for you. So I am fully hoping that you will pay your full attention to learn this condition, that if you want to say something, मुझे पानी दो, give me water. हमें पानी दो, give us water. उन्हें पानी दो, give them water. So I hope you will pay your full attention on my all lectures, because these lectures are very important for you to understand, because I have launched this channel for you. You can watch my all videos on YouTube channels. You can watch my all videos on TikTok, understand? Not only YouTube and TikTok, I want to tell you that I have started live sessions, understand, on TikTok. So many people, many students of Pakistan and all over the world are getting much knowledge about my English. So I hope you will do that. In the final, I want to request you that please pray for the people of the Palestine, Makuda, Kashmir, and the Gaza, because they are our brothers and sisters. They are our great relatives. They need our prayers all the time, understand, because they are in sorrows, they are in griefs. Their life has finished now, understand. Their children are crying for hunger. It is our more duty to pray for them, and especially after our tahajjud prayers, and especially after reciting the Holy Quran at the tahajjud time, and especially say the tasbih of the Durud Pak at the time of tahajjud. I hope you will do that, and God will give them independent state, inshallah. And God will give them independent state, inshallah. And God will give them independent state, inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Jazakallah, thank you, Allah Hafiz.